Greetings and welcome to another spooky unboxing type of thing for this Octoberween season. Today I have for you something involving nails. I usually do lots of fancy nail art, but I can't be bothered because I'm too damn busy. But anyway, I happened upon... Well, I didn't happen upon, I'm on their damn mailing lists and they keep poking me with things that are very shiny. Anyway, long story short, I got this subscription box from Maniology, which used to be Bundle Monster. They're rebranding. I don't know what it is, but a lot of brands have just been rebranding lately and changing over their identities, and I don't know why, but whatever. So this is the Mani X Me box. It comes with some delightful things. The original price is $25 on that. And I got a coupon that had $5 off, so that was pretty damn good. So I got it because they just started this box, and it was very spooky and cute themed, so I decided it was quite appropriate for me. And it came with stickers in the box, which is kind of cute, even though they got kind of mangled in the mail, but so be it. Let's see. Creatively express yourself, one manicure at a time. Yes. October box, trick or treat, and this is awesome. So, okay, some info on stuff and things. What is this? This is a pineapple jelly? Aw, it's cute. I think it's a jelly candy. At least I hope it's a jelly candy, because you damn well know I'm going to try to put that in my mouth. That's so cute. They're kind of gushy. And this is where it comes in. I guess I'm gonna just take it out of the box, because it's all packaged like that. So, let's see. We've got a stamping guide, which I know how to stamp, but that's cool for beginners. So, this is how you stamp things. And let's see, we have the nail lacquer, we have a crystal clear stamper. I think the first subscription, you get a stamper and a scraper. So what's this one? I haven't seen. Gimme. This is an interesting... Oh, cool. It's an interesting shape. And I think I needed a clear... No, I have a clear one. But this is... their size. So, it's a little box thing. And there's the stamper. And you look at it on the other side, and it kind of gives you a magnified look in there, if you can kind of see what's going on. So, that's pretty nifty. It's kind of on the tacky side. It's really nice and compact, too. I like the smaller stampers. So, yes, that was in there. Oh, there's a scraper in there. Oh my god, that's teeny. Oh, that's nice, actually. A lot of the scrapers that I have are just huge, so that you giant mess on your frickin' stamping plates, which is not fun to clean up. So we have the nail lacquer. I'm going to try to figure out. These are stamping polishes, so they are prime and good to stamp with. So we have a vibrant purple and a vibrant pink in Boy's Tears and Corpse Flower. That's pretty funny. And this is cool. I like it when stamping polishes have this. You can swatch them, you can put a stamp on there, and the black and white shows you how it performs on both dark colors and light colors. So we might try those out just to see what it looks like. I'm going to go here. These are the free gifts. These are decals, I think, and they're really cute. What are they? Temporary tattoos. Okay. So they're just temporary tattoos, and they're really teeny. They'd be kind of cute to put on your knuckles or something. But we have some zombie hands, and lots of cutesy occult things, which is kind of a funny sentence to put together. We are the weirdos, mister. Okay. And then we have this one, which is more of the same, but cute. And it's got that one from The Craft, a quote from The Craft. And 2 stamping plates, which I am very excited about. Oh my god, these are cute. Ah! Oh my god, these are so fucking cute. Okay. So we've got like this menagerie of things. You can kind of see. There we go. Of things that you can just kind of... Oh, some moons, and then here's like some, I love that castle, there's a spooky tree, stay spooky. Spooky and sassy, creepy, it's real, happy Halloween. Some cute little designs and motifs, oh I love it. And then some kitties, and animals, and spooky things. That is so fucking cute. Look at the bats. Look at the bats. We have like zombie cupcakes. We have planchettes and witchy things, some skulls. Oh my god. And then more designs individually. The bats and the moons. The gravestones. Shit. I really want to paint my nails now. So why don't we test out the polish and swatch them out. I want to do the bats and the moons. So I just blub 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 blub. That might need to be primed a little bit, but I'm just going to stamp it here, so I don't particularly care what it looks like. Oh, very nice. That is definitely a very opaque polish, and it looks cute on both light and dark. That's nifty. Let us try the pink on... I want these baddies. Baddies. Oh, I picked up a lot better. Oh, they're so cute. Swoop. Oh no. Close enough. Not really meant to be stamping on plasticky things, but... Yep, that's pretty damn opaque. Oh, I love it. And I don't have these colors. So these are some freaking cute plates, and I really love them, and I really want to paint my nails now. Because these plates are so fucking cute. My god. Just look at them, look at the sleepy bat. I love the sleepy bat. Oh, just look at them all. Oh my god. And the other one. Oh, it's so cute. Man. So yes, so $25 isn't bad for what you get. You get 2 polishes, 2 plates, and for your first time you get a stamper set, and some extra goodies. So I got some temporary tattoos, which are really freaking cute. I might save these and put them in resin, though, because I don't like temporary. I like permanent, so I might put those in my little resin stash and see what I can do with them. Because you can use temporary tattoos on resin, and it's really fun. But anyways, that will do it, I believe. I'm probably going to go paint my nails now. So yes, this is Maniology's Mani X Me box. I might check on future boxes or something, because these are really cute. And yeah, it's kind of nice, easy, you know, you don't need to think about stuff if you want to get into stamping, and you just kind of get overwhelmed. It's really good. It's a really good starter set. So anyway, I'll leave that down below. And I think that will do it from me. Be sure to like up this video and subscribe if you want more spooky bullshit from me. Check out all my other spooky YouTube shenanigans right here on YouTube. I have more jewelry things coming up, and our epic design, and don't forget the epic design on Patreon as well. All pertinent links will be down below. Thank you all so much for joining me, and of course, if there's anything I need to be trying out right now that is spooky, let me know down below, and I will see you next time.